Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign up to the Pacific Western Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.pacwest.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Pacific Western Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign in button, a menu will pop up on your screen. On that menu, find the consumer e-banking option and click on it. After you click on that option, you'll be directed to another page. In this page, find the sign up option and click on it. Once you click on the sign up option, you'll be further guided to another page where you will have to tick in some credentials. You will have to tick in all these required credentials and then click on the I have read and agreed to the terms and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you'll be directed to another page which will help you to enroll into the Pacific Western Bank. I hope this video helped you to enroll into the Pacific Western Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.